When you're small, you are the system. You're physically there on every job, setting the pace, keeping everyone honest, and making sure quality and profits don't slip. But as you grow, that changes. The moment you step off the job, quality and profits crash. Loss of control in the field is the biggest killer for growing contractors and home service businesses. WINWINI solves that problem with a complete set of field applications that give you real visibility and control even when you're not physically there. Systemizing your business starts with unit-based estimating. WINWINI has a very capable estimating program. It's clean, accurate, and works just like any other unit-based system you may have used. But because this isn't a tutorial, we're going to skip watching an estimate being built. We'll just start with a finished estimate like this one. Once our estimate has been accepted, we can come and press this magic all-powerful button, Convert to Work Order. That single click is backed by serious systemization we build together during our second month of coaching. We define your job types, break them into clear phases, then into precise tasks, mapping each one to the right labor, material, and equipment data so this button can work its magic. When it's pressed, your software generates a complete sequenced list of tasks that directly follows your structured business processes, plus a project Gantt chart for the job phases that appears in both the job admin area and the project manager's console. In the field, your crew opens the employee mobile app and sees exactly what needs to be done, task by task, area by area, following your standardized processes. Each task includes everything necessary to get it done, instructions, and the estimated completion time. As the team marks tasks complete, in the background, WINWINI collects real performance data. This allows the AI to help refine future estimates so they become extremely accurate over time. Even more valuable, full visibility creates natural accountability. Everyone knows who is supposed to do what and when, and everybody knows that everybody knows. You finally know who's producing and who isn't, without having to constantly check in and guess. It's hard to overstate how transformational this is. And all pretty much auto-magically. It just happens. Back in the office, the Project Manager console gives you powerful oversight of all your jobs and teams. Here under the Teams tab, you can easily build and manage teams. Under the Gantt to Scheduler tab, you can view every job on a Gantt chart and assign phases simply by marking them as Ready to Assign. Then on the Team Scheduler tag, you can easily drag and drop these phases onto the correct team's planned timeline. These job assignments flow automatically to the team members' mobile apps under their schedule, so they know exactly where to go and what to do, with no flood of texts or phone calls going back and forth. As work gets done in the field, the actual timeline updates. You see exactly what's on track and what's falling behind in real time. For subcontractors, we keep it clean and professional, no micromanagement. For jobs you designate as to be subbed, you get an extra tab on the Job Admin app where you can easily invite subs to bid on specific phases, award the work easily, and then everything, scope, schedule, and progress updates flow into the mobile app, and the app allows them to update their progress, so information flows between you and your subs in a bi-directional manner almost effortlessly. Now, we've barely touched on what these field applications can do, not to mention the rest of your WINWINI stack. Here's the most important truth. WINWINI software alone, as great as it is, will not transform your business. That's exactly why our 90-day coaching program is mandatory. WINWINI is transformative. It is enterprise-level software which is infinitely customizable, which also happens to work from day one. But without extensive structured coaching, WINWINI's success rate would stay close to zero. It's just too much to absorb on your own. However, with our coaching, 30 structured one-on-one sessions over 90 days plus 10 sessions held in reserve for troubleshooting, where we work with you side by side to systemize your field operations, build and configure the exact processes your business needs, automate your office operations, integrate the right AI tools, and train and support your team through adoption of your new software and systems, the failure rate will be close to zero. This isn't basic onboarding. It's hands-on consulting and implementation support presented in a practical way that feels approachable for busy small business owners. Our coaching is a serious time commitment, time spent working on your business, not just in it, but it's worth it because it's the key that turns powerful software into a true competitive advantage, giving you lasting control over your costs and field processes. And here's something that's absolutely true. Because WINWINI is installed as your own custom business software on your own private, fully managed server and database, combined with the fact that today's AI coding capabilities are insane, changes and additions to your code base are remarkably fast and affordable. What used to take a developer a full week can now be done in just a couple of hours. If you're ready to move from chaos to real control, book a live demo today. We'll show you the full system and discuss how WINWINI can be customized for your specific trade and business.